So in this tutorial, I will tell you how you can manage your memories in your Snapchat application. So first, you need to just click on your profile photo, and after that, go to your settings. And after going into the settings, you just need to scroll down and go to the memories. So here you can see every options in your memories. So you can just auto save my snap stories. You can just tap this, and you can turn on your auto save of snap stories. When you upload any story, you can just, it will be automatically be saved in your memories. Y- you can see here save button. You can see here memories and camera rolls. So you can select any options you want to. So the save button will be appear on your only memories and only camera rolls only. And if you want both, you can select any options you want. Okay. So, and the last option is smart backup. Here you can just click on this, and if the Wi-Fi is unavailable and your mobile data is only on, so this is how the memory features works in the Snapchat application, and you can access this from the settings of the Snapchat.